Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the Venus sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Eight of Pentacles, the Devil, the Five of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Fool, the Hangman, the Four of Cups, the Star, and the Eight of Swords. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck for Sagittarians. Okay, the Seven of Hearts, messages, guidance from the angels for Sagittarians. Okay. So Sagittarians, what I see here is that you've been working very hard on something, and that was pretty much at a ground level. That's what I'm getting. Totally focused, working very hard, and at a very ground level. Again and again I'm getting it. It's something which you are not that affluent. That abundance and that affluence is not there. That's what I'm feeling over here. It is sort of a lack of financial resources or lack of financial stability sort of a situation, and you are trying to build up your finances, working very hard. It's like that. But there is something in your psyche, there's something within you which holds you back from achieving what you want to achieve, basically. And here with the Five of Swords, what I feel here is that there is a dispute, or perhaps you want to have things your own way. Perhaps that is the reason. That is your, perhaps you are there is something which holds back your success. Okay, you keep on working hard but you don't get the results, perhaps of this negativity within you. This something within your psyche, something negative in your system, in your own self. And that, what I feel here is, it's something that perhaps you want to have things according to your whims and fancies, what you feel things should be done like that. And because of that there has been a clash, and it has led to some sort of a breakup and a dispute that people have left you, sort of. Okay, so there has been a dispute, a clash, or a fight because of this nature of yours, that you want to have things your own way, perhaps, or maybe some other reason, that there is something negative which you need to correct, basically, which is stopping you from the success which you can achieve by working that hard as you do, even at this ground level. Okay, you are working from the basics but still you are not able to get it because of this reason. Something is stopping you within yourself. You need to correct that. And here with the Nine of Pentacles, what I see is, because after this clash, after this dispute, you have taken a time off, you are enjoying your own self, want to sort of, you want some time to yourself before you begin a new journey, before you make a fresh start. Okay, so you are enjoying a vacation, or you're giving time to yourself, and you are enjoying those luxuries or whatever it is, and after giving that time to yourself to heal, sort of, or to so come out of this negativity, there is a new beginning also. So there is definitely a new beginning which is coming up after this period of clash, and then having that me time, and then you have taken that leap of faith. You are in for a fresh beginning, whatever this new beginning was. But the problem here is that it has again stuck. So whatever started has immediately stuck, and the things are on hold now. So things are just not moving. Things are just the it started and it's hung up, sort of a thing. So things are not moving ahead, or perhaps things are just not happening as you wanted them to be. Okay, so or maybe the plans are on hold, or the journey which you started, that journey is put to a halt. But something has happened that it just started and it's on hold. It's something like that. And here with the Four of Cups, there is something which is being offered to you, but the thing is that you just don't want to take it. You're not interested in taking the offer which is coming your way. And this offer is a wish fulfillment. That is the right offer which is coming from the universe. But the thing is, you are not taking it, though it is a wish fulfillment for you. But you are just not taking it, again, because of this devil thing, this negativity within you. With the Eight of Swords, you are, maybe because of this event, or maybe that nature is there within you, that you just something holds you back. So maybe it has been this negative event or series of negative events. Something is there, really there in your life, which has given you that negativity, that you just are scared to move forward now. Okay, you're scared to take the risk. You're scared to move ahead now. Something negative is holding you back. All those past experiences, that you just so scared to move ahead, that you are just not taking this offer which is coming in, though it is a wish fulfillment for you. Okay, so this is what is happening, Sagittarius, over here. So what I am getting here again, here with the Seven of Hearts, there are certain secrets. There are certain secrets over here. Things are not very clear to you. Maybe you are confused because of um, some situation. So there is uncertainty, perhaps, and that is because of this uncertainty. Perhaps you are not, you're so scared that you don't want to take what the universe is offering you, though it is something which is going to give you wish fulfillment. With the Eight of Abundance, it's time of learning and honing your skills. You may feel inspired to go back to school, like seminars on topics that fascinate you, or educate yourself on healing arts. It's a good time to change jobs or make a career move. The key to success is in the details. Monitor your projects carefully. So what I feel here is, maybe it is a time that you need to heal yourself. The main thing over here is that you need to go to school and start from the basics. So this is what I feel here is, you need to treat this negativity in you. You need to treat this, the controlling issues if you have, or a negative mindset if you have, or if you have the tendency of making people do what you feel is right, and you want things to be your own way. Whatever negativity is, you just need to reflect on that. You just need to identify in your situation what is the reason which holds you back, that whenever, though even though you work very hard, things just don't happen the way you want them to be. Okay, so that is what it is. Go back to the basics. Go think about it, reflect on the, go back to the timeline in your life, and just note down those things as to why these things happen, and just try to self evaluate them. Okay, and then you need to correct them, and that is what it is talking about. You need to hone the skills. You need to educate yourself on healing arts, because you have to heal yourself on whatever negative experiences you had, because they're holding your success back. Okay, so that is what is very, very crucial to you, so that you can get the success you want in life. Okay, or maybe because it's holding back your happiness also. Okay, so you need to treat this negativity within you, Sagittarians. Only then you will be able to achieve, only then you achieve happiness and success, and only then life will move forward happily in your situation, or only then you will be able to move happily in your life. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.